Look at the cuboid in the figure below. Express its surface area in terms of x. Let's find the area of the box using x. Ready? Here we go! We have a square, remember, with all right angles. Let's call this z. There's a common side here. We'll note it as TS. Got it? Angles are equal, as per the given info. This is z. Here, we see overlapping triangles. Use the SAS rule to understand them. Since they're overlapping, their areas are equal. That's very important. Let's use the triangle area formula now. Height times the side, then divide by 2. Easy, right? Now, substitute the right values and solve to find the height h. Great job! Isolate h in the equation. You're doing well! This is h, the side length. All sides in our square are equal. Use this formula for the box's surface area. Almost there. Substitute values and solve for the surface area. You're on the right track. Multiply each part separately. Take your time. Reduce as much as you can. Simplifying helps. Open up parentheses and multiply each term. Almost done. And that's the solution. Great job solving it.